Today's my topic is on analysis of Gordie Howe International Bridge project success. Introduction: The Gordie Howe International Bridge is a significant infrastructure project connecting the US and Canada, which is crucial for trade and economic relations. Project management plays a vital role in such large scale projects, influencing outcomes across various dimensions. The goal of this presentation is to analyze whether the project was successful based on each key project management deliverable, including scopes, cost, schedule, and stakeholder management. Each project management area to determine the project overall success. The conclusion will synthesize the findings from each section to provide a final judgment on the project success. Project charters and objectives. It is a set of clear vision to create a world-class, long-lasting infrastructure connecting Windsor and Detroit. Major objectives included the construction of the bridge was associated with ports and facilities along with community and environmental benefits. The project success criteria were well defined, including cost, schedule, and stakeholder satisfaction. The Windsor Detroit Bridge Authority played a crucial role in overseeing the project objectives and ensuring alignment with government goals. It provides a strong foundation with objectives that were clear, achievable, and aligned with stakeholders' expectations. Overall, the charter and objectives were effectively established and contributed to project success. The project scopes included not just bridge but also border inspection facilities, connecting roads and utilities, relocation, which were all critical for the project success. Community benefits such as jobs, environmental protection, and local economic growth were incorporated into scope, enhancing stockholders' support. Scope management effectively handled changes and adjustment without significant scope creep, maintaining project integrity. There were challenges in scope alignment due to the project binational nature, but they, these were managed well through continuously stakeholders and engagement. The project's scope was ambitious but realistic, aligning with project strategic goals. Scope management was well executed, ensuring that project stayed on track. Cost management. The initial budget for the project was approximately $5.7 billion, covering all construction operations and maintenance cost. The project faced some cost overruns due to unforeseen challenges, including environmental and cross-border regularities issues. The financial strategy involved both public and private funding, ensuring that financial resources were available when needed. Cost benefit analysis was continually used to make informed decisions, particularly when facing budgetary constraints. Despite challenges, cost control measures such as value engineering and contract management helped keep the project within acceptable budget limits. The project financial management was strong, contributing to its overall success by ensuring that costs were controlled effectively. Schedule management. The original project timeline aimed for completion by the end of 2024, with critical milestones set for construction phases and regulatory approvals. Delay was encountered primarily due to complex cross border issues and environmental assessment, leading to schedule adjustments. The project team used tools like Gantt charts, PERT analysis, and critical path method to monitor and adjust the schedule effectively. Scenario modeling was employed to anticipate potential delays and develop mitigation strategies which help in keeping the project on track. As of the latest report, the project is expected to be completed close to the original schedule, demonstrating strong schedule management. The ability to manage and mitigate delays contributed to project's overall success. Resource management. Human resources were managed through carefully planning and the use of skilled laborers from both Canada and the US, which was crucial given the project's scale. The project emphasized using local business and developing the workspace, creating jobs and economic benefits for the surrounding communities. Resource allocation included to strategy use of technology, machinery, and material with a focus on efficiency and cost effectiveness. Cross border rescue management presented challenges, particularly regarding regulatory compliance and logistically coordination, which were effectively addressed. Stake, Stakeholders' engagement, particularly with local communities, was a resource strength, ensuring support and smooth project process. Resource management was a critical successful factor, ensuring that project had a necessary inputs to achieve its goals. Next is risk management. The project identified several critical risks, including environmental impacts, regulatory delays, and cross border coordination challenges. Risk mitigation strategies included environmental assessment, stakeholders consultation, and robust legal framework to navigate regulatory issues. Unforeseen risks, such as related to political changes and economic fluctuations, were handled thoroughly. Adaptive management strategies. Scenario modeling was used to anticipate potential risk and develop proactive measures contributing to risk resilience. The governance framework established for risk oversight was comprehensive, involving multiple stakeholders and continuous monitoring. The project risk management was effectively preventing major disruption and contributing to its success. Quality management. Quality management was set high, adhering to both Canada and US regulation as well as international standards for both bridge constructions. The guide was issued as a reference for quality assurance practices, ensuring that project met to exceed or exceeded expectation. Quality control process was implemented throughout the construction phases, including inspection, testing, and continuous improvements. The project was recognized for commitment to environmental and social governance, which was contributed to overall quality and stakeholder satisfaction. Quality management was a significant success factor, ensuring that the project met its objectives while maintaining high standards. Stakeholder management. Key stakeholders included the US and Canadian government, local communities, environmental groups, and commercial entities reliant on cross-border trades. Communication strategies involved regular updates, public consultation, and transparent reporting, which were crucial for maintaining stakeholders' trust, such as environmental impact and community benefits, were addressed through active engagement and collaborations. The project successfully managed cross functional interface, particularly between various regulatory bodies and contractors, ensuring alignment with stakeholder goals. The strong governance framework was established to keep stakeholders informed and involved in decision making process. Effective stakeholders management was a major contributor to the project success, ensuring that all parties remained supportive throughout the project life cycle. Success factors and conclusion. It can be attributed to several key factors, including strong project characters and scope management, effective cost, schedule controls, robust risk management, and high quality standards. Within defined scope, a managed cost effectively and adhered to its timeline despite challenges. Community benefits and environmental consideration added long-term value, contributing to the project's overall success. The project long-term impacts include enhanced trade, economic growth, and improved relation between US and Canada. Based on the analysis, the Gordie Howe International so Bridge can be considered as a success, having met its strategic goals and delivered values to its stakeholders. Uh, the lessons learned from this project, particularly in managing complex cross-border infrastructure projects, will be valuable for future endeavors. Here's the reference.